High-purity alumina ceramic seal ring, a dense, precision-machined ring with a lapped, mirror-flat sealing face, engineered to act as the wear surface in mechanical seal assemblies for pumps, valves, and metering systems. ADCERAX manufactures these seal rings from high-purity aluminum oxide in custom inner diameters, outer diameters, and heights, with controlled surface roughness and tight dimensional tolerances based directly on your drawing. 5 material properties make high-purity alumina the preferable choice for mechanical seal face applications. First, Mohs hardness of 9 or above. Second, only to diamond, allowing the sealing face to resist scoring from suspended particles in slurries. Second, wear resistance several times higher than hardened metals, dramatically extending mean time between failures. Third, complete chemical inertness across the full pH range from 1 to 14, with no metal ion contamination of the process fluid. Fourth, a lapped sealing face with surface roughness below 0.4 micrometers, the geometric flatness required to maintain a hydrodynamic film between rotating and stationary faces. And fifth, dimensional stability held within plus or minus 0.05 millimeters, ensuring consistent fit and concentricity in the seal cartridge. For manufacturing capabilities, turn alumina into a production-ready seal ring. First, purity grades from 95% up to 99.7% let engineers select the right balance between cost, hardness, and chemical resistance. Second, inner diameters from 6 to 120 millimeters, outer diameters up to 160 millimeters, with height set to drawing, covering everything from miniature dosing pump seals to large process pump cartridges. Third, geometric features such as C-chamfered edges, lapped grooves, and O-ring seats can be machined directly from customer CAD files. And fourth, sealing face roughness ranging from 0.2 to 0.4 micrometers, optimized for the specific film thickness and mating face material in your seal design. The most typical application for high-purity alumina ceramic seal ring is the mechanical seal face in chemical and slurry centrifugal pumps. And this single application maximally exploits every property we just reviewed. Inside a mechanical seal cartridge, 2 precisely lapped ring faces are pressed together, one rotating with the pump shaft, the other held stationary in the seal housing. And a hydrodynamic film of process fluid, only a few micrometers thick, separates them while the pump runs. For this geometry to hold, both ring faces must remain perfectly flat and dimensionally stable across thousands of operating hours. Alumina delivers this stability. Its Mohs 9 hardness resists scoring from suspended solids, in slurries or tailings, and crystallizing chemical streams that would gouge a metal seal face within weeks. Its chemical inertness across the full pH range means the same ring works in concentrated sulfuric acid, sodium hydroxide, and saline desalination feed without corrosion or metal ion contamination of the process. Its lapped surface, held to roughness below 0.4 micrometers, preserves the hydrodynamic film that keeps the faces from contacting under load. From flue gas desulfurization circulating pumps in coal-fired power plants, 2 high-pressure feed pumps in seawater, reverse osmosis trains, 2 dosing skids in pharmaceutical metering systems, 2 slurry transfer pumps in alumina refineries. Alumina ceramic seal rings are the wear surface that holds the seal, isolates the medium, and runs leak-free for tens of thousands of operating hours.